Well, coffee is getting cold because Delhi is cold. Well, this is the laptop sleeve. I thought I'll quickly show you all. And this is my previous sleeve. This is decent. It's really cool. It's made out of denim, but we are out of cloth for this one. But soon this design will also come. But the protective part was not that good of this. So we have actually now made something much more easier to slip in. And as you can see, we've used nice velvet here, quite thick. So even if you want to carry it like this with your handle, this is quite a heavy duty laptop, so you can see that you can carry this laptop very easily. Things like my camera holder that goes in, my memory cards, my mic, my torch, all my USBs, wires, headphones. Also, my laptop charger completely fits in this. If you want to carry your laptop charger in this also, this is really nice. You can see there's so much space here. And I have also given a nice strap to hold it, so it's easier to pull it out. So if you're stepping out and if you don't want to carry a big bag, all you gotta do is pick this up, go to a cafe, sit, enjoy your coffee, and start your work. The best advantage of this sleeve is if your laptop bag, for example, I'm carrying a Royal Enfield bag, it does have a laptop sleeve, but if you want to further protect it, this would really help, and it's easier to carry also. So I hope you guys like this, and the purchase link will be in description. The color difference is because this is canvas and this is a different material, so that's the reason they would look a bit different. So today is 27th of November. Today is the day I head back to Mumbai. So if you notice, I look a bit dull, and yes, I had viral fever, and I think I'll let you guys know the whole story, but find out what happened on 25th. I was really happy. I got my coffee, I got my merchandise, I was really excited, and then it was a dark night. 7 kilos backpack. So well, story is very simple, that I actually got flu. Well, I was riding a scooter in the night. It was around 11 degrees in Delhi, and what happened is I came back home. I was really tired and I immediately took a hot shower. Then I thought the shower is too hot, I made it cold, and then the hot cold thing really got my head and I started shivering. And this has happened with me in past also, because I have a bit of a sinus issue, and I could sense it is the same problem which is reoccurred, and I was shivering like crazy. Anyways, I changed and I went to sleep, and then I got fever. When I got fever, I got really scared that I might have got COVID, and I had a flight on 27. So I was trying to actually cancel my flight and shift it, do my tests and everything. So I went to 2 centers. They're charging me, one center is charging me 3,000 rupees, one center is charging me 2,000 rupees, and the free one, the bus is not available. 24th, when I was searching around for, all my tests for RT-PCR, no one was accepting, and they were saying 3,000 rupees, and there was a scheme here which was 500 rupees for all travelers, which was not happening. So it was kind of annoying me, and I was whole day roaming doing that bit, and I got really tired. Well, after all this jazz, what happened is I got a bit of a good news from a hospital close by. A relative of mine said that go here, they are doing the test and they are ICMR approved. In fact, they are the biggest here. So a huge queue for the RT-PCR. Let's see how it goes. And I went to the facility, as you can see, and I got my COVID test done, and then she told me that I will get the test results on 27th morning, and 27th was my flight, which is today. So I was like, damn, it's such a cut to cut thing. And I was talking to a few of my friends and they were like, what are you doing? You rather cancel your tickets. And I was like, let's see. 26th night, that is last night, I got good news that I don't have COVID. And since and 25th and 26th, both days I did not get any fever. Plus the best thing is that I did not have any cough from the time I got the fever. So it was purely my sinus which got triggered, and kind of a sinus attack which happened to me even last year, happens to me sometimes here and there. सब कुछ निकालना पड़ा. My lunch involves a sandwich and some beverage, and this bag is too stuffed, man. So returning after 3 months, literally 3 months. So yep, I've reached Mumbai and they did check my COVID report. So make sure you get it done from a proper institute. I got it done from a government hospital. So COVID report is mandatory. If it's negative, then only you can enter Mumbai. And I had negative report, so I'm here. Okay, so finally made it in Mumbai and feels good. Welcome back to my studio, and obviously it's a mess. And I should call this as an incomplete studio. सबसे पहले internet start कराया, which is very important. And as soon as I entered my house, what I see, and yes, ये पानी का bottle है. Basically this was sent during Diwali, so thanks a lot Penzol for a nice bottle. I got this big black box from Triumph. It says Triumph for the ride. And it says the festive season, wishing you many more miles, many more smiles for the ride. And they sent me a nice miniature of the Bonneville T100. This is so damn neat. For Tiger 900, this is really nice. And we do have a scarf. Wow, they knew I wear bandanas, I guess. So I got the bandana for Triumph. And a lovely t-shirt, size L. Oops, I am a M though. Let's see if it fits. So I also have to install this mobile mount now. Okay, so now I'm heading out for a small spin. The weather is decent and I hope you guys like this video. Well, this was all about the Delhi transit as well as the kind of flu I had. Now I'm planning to hit towards Goa. Now let's see how that ride happens, and yes, that's when I'll actually test my alloy wheels. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button. And I'm back now, so don't worry, vlogs will be back as well. And as usual friends, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Rad Moto. Bye. So let's see if my bike starts after 2 months. Hello Yakuza, how you doing? Chalo, fingers crossed. Oh, EFI works, that means it'll work.